Easily transfer files and data between two computers by using this cable to connect and create a peer-to-peer network. Snagless design protects clips when plugging and unplugging. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Available in 4 colors to color code a network. Available in lengths up to 25 feet. This Cat6 network crossover patch cable is an ideal solution for connecting two computers to share files or data. The crossed pin configuration allows two computers to be connected peer-to-peer without the need for a hub or switch. This cable may also be used to connect network switches and hubs without an uplink port to other switches and hubs. Each cable is fully tested, quality inspected, and meets all TIA, EIA Cat6 standards. This cable has been designed to adjust both impedance and structural return loss, SRL, which ensures error-free transmission. Constructed from high-quality cable and a shortened body plug, this design minimizes near-end crosstalk, next, levels. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect color. I bought this because my setup is mostly the Razer quartz line, which is pink, and I have a pink desk, also from Amazon. The color is a great match, not identical to both but enough so that it blends right in and is so much more aesthetically pleased than a black or white cord.